Yeah, so loading up the truck. Plan is to go camping up north near Flagstaff. Campground called Forked Pine. It's a campground right by a lake. Looked like a pretty spot. There's a lot of potential for things to go wrong on this trip. There's supposed to be thunderstorms this afternoon and tonight, which, depending on how bad that gets, could cause some issues. I was up till 2 a.m. last night, kind of feeling sick, so I'm a little bit sleep deprived. We're already like half an hour late at least. It's gonna be like 45 minutes late now, that just based on the time. So it's off to a rocky start, but we already canceled this trip once due to weather a couple weekends ago, so I really don't want to cancel again. I'm just gonna kind of make it like do the best we can, see what happens, get as far as we can. If we do the whole trip, great. If we end up having to go to a hotel or come back home, whatever, that's fine. Just want to get out and do something, so could be interesting. I don't know, let's see. Alright, we made it to Mormon Lake. It's about 2 or 3 miles south of our campsite. 12 miles, I guess. Not too far though. We're gonna get some lunch here, or it's a little after 1. We can't set up camp or check in until 2, so got a little time to kill. Cal has a message.
I can unbuckle my seat now. I just need to press this button and look.
Very cool. Let's go get some lunch.
You don't need to bring that. They'll give us drinks.
What do you think, bud?
Good.
Oh, and then it disappeared. We got to the other side of the cloud. What the heck? What the heck are you doing, Rain? Like a tiny one. Tiny shore. Seatbelt is engaged. I think it's a big cow.
I don't think we have to worry about bears. I think we have to worry about cattle.
Well, we made it to the campsite. Forked Pines Campground. It's a little crowded. You gonna dig a hole? Well, can you dig it over here, closer to our campsite?
But there's no soft dirt over
I see some soft dirt over here. Come here.
Did you bring the tarp?
Nope. Alright. That's all our gear we brought. Time to get set up. You know what we could do if you really wanted? I have the other tarp. I have the other one, the rain one that we... Alright, pretty much done with the tent. Just gotta stake the guy lines.
Papa,
Yeah, bud?
do you have a lighter so that I can light my fire?
You wanna light your fire with a lighter? I don't have one right now. We can do that later after it gets a little bit darker, okay? Plus, fires have to be in there.
Why can't it be on the...
Wow, you are so dirty already. Holy cow. Look at all that dirt on you. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Oh my dirty boy. This whole time we were coming up here, I was worried about the rain. And now it's kind of hot, so I'm kind of hoping it rains a little bit on us now. But we'll see. Whew. I put together some chairs for when we want to sit near the fire at night. I just realized I only brought 2. Should really use 3. To get it where it needs to go. There we go. A chair. Time to get the food out of here and bring it into the tent. This is probably actually hotter in the truck than the tent. Not super impressed with the zipper on this tent yet. It's kind of annoying. I know that's a common pain point for tents. This one seems to struggle a bit. What are you doing?
Getting some lemonade.
Lemonade.
I've been here before, so let me tell you the path.
Okay. We're going for a little walk, a little exploring.
And I'm gonna make the sea magical. How the sea magical. See, I didn't even get it in the water.
Oh, yeah, you did. The wind blew it in the water. Another what?
Another puppy.
Why do you need another puppy?
One to go in the water. Oh, that's cute.
Where do you want to go? Let's go see what these rocks are over here. Bless you.
Well, the top is kind of circular, but the bottom is kind of squiggly.
The tent?
No, of Mama.
Oh. Well, this is the inside of our tent. It's pretty big. I got an 8-person just so it'd be comfy. It's even bigger than I thought it would be. Probably could have got by with a 6-person just fine. They said you're supposed to get double the amount of people that you're actually going with for comfort. So I got a little bit more than double, even. It's a little toasty. It's a little warmer than I was expecting it to be out here. It's like 85, I think, and so yeah, I got a little fan running, but it's not really helping much. I'm probably gonna go back outside in the shade in a bit, just showing you around the tent.
Snack bowl. I just found a snack bowl.
What you doing out here, buddy? I'm a little worried though, because I can't find the sleeping pad for my wife and I. And this ground is extremely rocky and hard, and it's gonna be interesting without a sleeping pad.
Papa,
So
look, I can make this thing
hope I can find it.
bowl.
You need stand up wind.
Yeah.
Gather up some dry grass for the fire. This stuff's really dry.
You have to look
I'm looking.
that's not the tree.
Ouch. Sounded like it hurt. Yeah. Probably shouldn't kick rocks.
What?
Probably shouldn't kick rocks.
Why?
Well, you just got hurt, didn't you? Took a lot of work, but I finally got the fire going on its own decently. Took me a while, but it's going. It's a little past 7, I think. It's getting kind of late, so we're gonna have to cook dinner pretty soon, but it's not. The fire's not mature enough to really cook on it yet easily. It's finally getting nice out here. Temperature's finally dropping to a nice temp. No rain up here. I feel like it's been all around us, but not here. Which is okay. It's got a little hot, but it's nice now. What's the matter, buddy? Did you find a bug or something?
No. Why is it so squishy here?
It's just some squishy ground. There's some chicken kebabs in the foil and a burger. Al's hungry. I decided to put everything in tin foil and put it in the fire because it was taking forever to cook up there. And it's really late, way later than we wanted to be out cooking. Dinner late. It's windy. You all snuggled into bed?
Yeah.
See you in the morning. Good night.
We survived the thunderstorm. Yay! We're going outside again, well at least Papa is. And we're still in the tent, getting changed. So we'll be outside in a little bit, and then that's when we'll see you again.
Alright, it's morning. I did have some thunderstorms last night in the middle of the night. Lots of rain and, bless you, thunder and rain. It was cool, but made it hard to sleep at the same time.
And we're going to the lake.
Yeah. We're gonna just sit by the lake for a little bit before we pack up.
But I need to tell you, Mama, when you watch this video, this video is not the lake when we went to explore. It's the lake that we went when it was the morning. Whoa. What the heck? Get away from
little crab claw
Get
there.
away from that, you're gonna touch the poop.
It's not poop, it's like a crab claw or something. I don't know what kind of crabs would be here. Unless somebody was eating crabs out here. So what is this, Cal?
No, it's a magic dust.
Oh no, Cal, don't play with the dirt, remember?
What? Oh yeah.
You played with the dirt all day yesterday. Today you're going to try not to because we got to leave. How about this? What's this?
Like it's a spare fireplace.
Oh, I love it. It's a good backup. Somebody brought us some fire stuff to help start fires, like cardboard and stuff. It's probably way too wet now, but we didn't bring a BB gun out. That was just what they brought over. Cal, look, your beetle friend's back.
What?
Your beetle friend's back.
Yay, beetle! Wait, can we capture him and like bring him home?
Nope.
Why?
Because we don't need a beetle at home. Hand me stuff. I'll take it to the truck. We should probably take it out and try to lay it out on the table.
What were we planning to do?
Maybe go see something or something?
Well, I'm hungry for breakfast. If you have breakfast, yes, cereal bowl.
Thank you for trying. I'll probably need your help with other stuff here in a little bit. Can't reach it.
Not
Sorry, like it.
tall enough.
Well, this is our third time stopping on the way home. Callan got car sick, so we had to stop, give him medicine, let him rest. And now he has to poop, so we're stopped at a McDonald's. We're not making very good time. Still got an hour and a half to go. But it's been a bit of a struggle because we're all cranky because we were up with thunderstorms all night. And now we got a sick kiddo, kinda, seems like. Oh, well, we made her home. We made it home. Luckily, Cal didn't get any more sick on the way home, so that was good. Yeah, it was an interesting trip. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't. Could have been better. I feel like. Yeah, I feel like it could have been a little bit better. It was a little bit hot. My wife was miserable the whole time because she hates being in the heat like that, and we had the thunderstorms at night, which was kind of cool, but also we didn't get any sleep, so we're like all tired and grumpy now. but it was still fun. It was still fun to play with Cal, run around, be by a lake, be out in nature, so all that was good. But probably won't do any more summer camping with the family unless we go really far up north. I don't know. But next weekend I plan to go solo camping around the Prescott area. It's going to be hot again, but it'll just be me, and we'll deal with it, or we'll figure something out. So that's the plan. If you watched this far, thank you for watching, and see you next time. I'm gonna start unpacking all my stuff. Later.